After their 4-1 defeat at the hands of India in their previous T20 International Series, the West Indies now turn their attention to the first of 3 matches against New Zealand on Wednesday at Sabina Park. Despite the heavy loss recently, the Windies are optimistic of good returns against the Kiwis, who are back to full strength.
Sabina Park has only staged 3 T20 internationals to date, with the West Indies winning 2 of those clashes. But on Wednesday, the challenge will be different against a team that finished runners-up in the 2021 T20 World Cup. Jamaican Brandon King, who will be playing his first international match at Sabina Park, is relishing the opportunity to compensate for the India series.
I mean, we're all professionals, so we try to just take the lessons from the last series. Obviously, it wasn't the best series for us, but we also played very good cricket before that. So we're just looking to, we know how we want to play, and we're looking to continue in that way and play more consistently.
King, who missed Sunday's match with a shoulder injury, is still hoping to pull through for Wednesday's 1:30 p.m. start.
A world-renowned team. Their bowling attack is very good. I have played against them before, so I have that experience to draw back on for this series. I think my game has also improved, so I think I'm in a better place to face these challenges, and I back myself.
New Zealand's Martin Guptill says the Kiwis bowling juggernaut will be targeting a particular link in the Windies batting.
Nicholas Puran, I think he's one of the, the better T20 players around the world. And I think, if we can shut him down and keep him quiet through the series, we're going to have a pretty good series. But look, anyone in T20 can have their day. So, we have to bowl well to everybody. We have to, face all of their bowlers well. So, it's going to be a great series, and everybody's looking forward to it.
The visitors are on a 4-match winning streak against the Windies in the format, and Guptill says they are ready to extend that in the Caribbean.
And what's happened here in the past is in the past. We've got a new crop of players here, a new squad, so we're really looking forward to it. It's going to be a challenge, we know that. It's going to be in the the heat of the day, so the boys are going to have to prepare for that and make sure that we execute our plans to the full extent.
This will be the first T20 international at the venue since 2017, when the host got the better of India. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.